Everyone thought the luxury SUV game was already decided. But then BMW dropped the X9 and suddenly, everything changed. From the very first look, the BMW X9 doesn't feel like just another big SUV. It feels like a statement. The kind of vehicle that doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. That massive grille, razor-sharp lighting, and bold stance instantly tell you, this is BMW going all in on luxury and power at the same time. Walk around it and you start to understand the hype. The proportions are huge yet perfectly balanced. The body lines flow with confidence, the wheels look planted, and the overall design feels more like a high-end concept car than a production SUV. This isn't built to blend in traffic. It's built to stand above it, step inside, and the world outside disappears. The cabin feels like a private jet on wheels. Premium leather, ambient lighting, massive digital displays, and a layout that wraps around you like a cockpit. Everything you touch feels expensive, solid, and carefully crafted. Even the back seats feel first class, with space, comfort, and presence that turn long journeys into pure relaxation. But the X9 isn't only about luxury. Underneath all that elegance is serious performance. Power delivery is smooth but aggressive. The acceleration feels effortless, and the road presence is rock solid. Whether you're cruising in the city or pushing it on the highway, it feels confident, controlled, and unbelievably refined. What really makes the BMW X9 special is how it blends worlds. It has the comfort of a luxury sedan, the space of a full-size SUV, and the attitude of a performance machine. It doesn't compromise. It dominates. This is why people are talking. This is why comparisons are starting. Because the BMW X9 doesn't just compete with the top luxury SUVs. It challenges the throne. The BMW X9 isn't just another addition to the segment. It's the moment the luxury SUV world was forced to evolve.